Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with TransUnion for fraud alerts and account protection easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.transunion.com and press enter. Once the TransUnion homepage loads, look for the sign up or get started button. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a page that outlines the services offered. Read through the information and select Fraud Alerts as your desired service. Next, locate the section to create an account. Fill in your personal information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by typing it in again in the designated field. After completing the form, review the terms and conditions carefully. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Create Account or Submit button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Access your email and look for the confirmation message from TransUnion. Click on the verification link provided in the email to activate your account. Once your account is activated, log in using your email and password. Navigate to the Fraud Alerts section within your account dashboard. Follow the prompts to set up your fraud alerts. Provide any additional information requested, such as your social security number. Select your alert preferences based on how you want to receive notifications. Review your selections and click the Activate Alerts button to finalize the setup. Monitor your email or phone for alerts regarding any suspicious activity. Remember to periodically review your account settings to ensure everything is up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.